thank you guys for tuning into this video. So today we're going to be walking through how to freeze our CreditLogic accounts so that the credit bureaus cannot gain access to the information that they provide. So you're just going to go to google.com, type in CoreLogic freeze. You should be able to click on this first link. I'll have the link in the caption of the video just so that you guys can have an easy access to it. What you're going to want to do directly afterwards is go ahead and fill this information out. I'm doing this for myself right now, so let me go ahead and fill this information out. You can go ahead and fill this out, enter that information. When it says request type, we're going to be placing a security freeze, and then you're going to want to verify that you're not a robot, and then you're going to want to hit the submit button. Perfect. So you should get this confirmation message that your freeze request was sent. What's going to then happen is you're going to get an email from them. It should look just like this. Teletracker file freeze request.cre. You're going to go ahead and click the link that they get you to view. All right, and then it's going to ask you to sign in with a one-time password. And that one-time password should be sent to that same email address that you had put in the initial request for. So you should be able to go into that email and literally just click on it, copy, paste. My apologies, let's go ahead and do it that way. And then go ahead and paste that in and hit continue. All right, so then what you'll see in this encrypted email through CoreLogic, you'll get this PDF file. So you can go ahead and download it. And when you download it and open it up, you should see this two-page document. This first page here is going to be the information that you need to fill out. So you're going to put your name, you're going to put your address, you're going to put your city zip, telephone number, social security number, date of birth, and your signature and the date. Afterwards, you're going to want to make sure that you have a copy of your government-issued ID card, so like your driver's license, and you're going to want to make sure you have a picture of your or a screenshot of your latest utility bill that has your current mailing address on it. You're going to want to check both of these boxes and whatnot, or actually all three of these boxes, and then you're going to go ahead and just attach your ID to this file. And I'll show you guys how to do that here while we're recording. So let's go ahead. So I don't have to use my own driver's license. I'm in Maryland, so let's just say Maryland's driver's license. All right. So what you'll do, you'll literally just take, I'm going to use this one as if you just like took a regular photo. I'm going to drag that. What you should be able to do is literally just drag that file into the same, drag that file into where the document is saved. And same thing for your utility bill. So let's go ahead and let's say, I'm just going to Google a utility bill. Or sample utility bill. And we'll look for an image. So like I said, you can use like a screenshot, you know, of like your Xfinity bill, your phone bill, Verizon, you know, whoever you have a utility bill with. And then you can literally just drag and drop that. This is actually poor quality, so let's use a photo that has a better quality utility bill on it. There we go. So let's use like a sample sample utility bill like this. There we go, and then go back to the file, and then like I said, you just want to attach it. Perfect. So then this, of course, will be your information and you know, like a photo of your utility bill. But I just wanted to use this for recording's sake, just so that you guys can see how easy it is to kind of get this information just attached to your to this document. So I'm going to go and put in some fake information, or 1, 2, 3, and let's say Now you want to just put in your information here, and I guess we're in 2021, and then go ahead and put in the signature. You can go ahead and like draw it on there. I personally like to just like use like built-in stuff. I'm not built-in. Like the Mac allows you to just draw it on here. You can just use like a little pencil icon and draw it on. Whatever makes you most comfortable. Let's see. Oh, and then I have it as white right now, so let's change it. So yeah, you can literally, oops, black. Well, that's a shape. 1 second. Oh, or you could literally just type it in. You could use your real signature, or you could just type in your name right here. It's a box here to do so. And then you put today's date. Today is October the 12th, 2021. So we're going to go ahead and put that there. And then make sure you go ahead and read through this. But yes, in order to complete this, you're going to go ahead and check this box. There we go. Oops. Wait 1 second. Okay, wait 1 second. Why is this box not clicking? That's weird. All right, so at the beginning, you would have followed along with me. So just go ahead and make sure that these boxes are clicked. You shouldn't have this issue on your end. With me using this MacBook right now, essentially it is giving me a problem. So I will go ahead and proceed and essentially get this box checked off later on. This is a demo copy just so that you can fill your information out, but you should be able to click all of these options without any issue. So yeah, so after you go ahead and check all these boxes, fill out all this information, attach your driver's license and attach your utility bill. You should then be able to go into File and just save it. I'm going to convert it to a securityfreeze to a PDF file, and I am going to save that. And essentially, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and hit reply all to the email that was sent to you encryptedly from CoreLogic that you should still have open. Go ahead and hit the attachment tab. Once you hit the attachment tab, you should definitely just be able to go to where you had originally saved your file. And then you should be able to hit upload. And once you upload it, you'll wait for this little spinning icon to stop. It stopped as you see here. And then all you have to do from this point on is hit send, and it will send it encryptedly to CoreLogic, and then they will process your request within 24 to 48 hours. All right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a message, and I will be more than glad to help you out and answer any questions that you have.